We have concerns here in California with more rain coming. The soil just can't take it.
That's right. The soil can't take it. And even just technically speaking, right, there's only a certain amount of water that it can hold. So any additional rain is just going to flow, and that leads to flooding. Now you start melting all that snow on the ground, and there's additional potential for flooding. So it's going to be a concern all over the state. We're going to talk about the chances for heavy rain, where we'll see that happening in the state, and what it's going to look like for us as well. But in the near future, looking at a beautiful day tomorrow, near normal temperatures, heating up almost 10 degrees across the county from today's daytime highs. Rain returning to our area Friday into Saturday, but if you're traveling north, it's going to be Thursday, Friday, so it's just a day delayed for us. As far as next week, another chance for rain also on Tuesday and Wednesday, and you can see what that looks like here in our 7-day chance. About a 65% chance on Friday, Saturday, and then we go into next week. We're also going to be looking at rain, also looking at similar conditions with another atmospheric river getting into the mix. So the storms typically track from the Gulf of Alaska. They move south, they bring rain, and they usually are very cold, just like the ones we have seen so far. But when you start talking about tropical moisture or even atmospheric rivers, that brings warmer air, and warmer air is able to hold more moisture, hence heavier rain totals. So as we look at the conditions here hour by hour on Friday, starting in the morning, we may see a few areas of a little bit of rain. The chances will increase as we go into the afternoon, but it's going to be scattered in nature. It is not going to be as steady and as heavy as they will be to our north. Rainfall totals could range from what you see here to double that, so anywhere from 1/4 of an inch to an inch of rain. However, farther north, it is going to be more impressive. Where the atmospheric river sits, most likely is going to be basically just north of LA into Northern California, so the Bay Area could be hit the hardest with some totals ranging from 4 to 5 inches. That not taking into account all the rain we've seen in the last 2 months or even in the last 3 weeks. So looking at the future cast, Saturday, we start to see some of those showers tapering off into the evening. Sunday looks great. Then another system rolls in. Look at what happens on Sunday. Most of the rain is just to the north, where they're going to see a lot of rain Thursday, Friday. Another system sets up next week, and you can see the curvature here. It is going to be a well-pronounced system, also tapping into atmospheric moisture, and that is going to lead to another round of potential 1/2 inch to an inch of rain. We already have all the rain that we typically get in a year in San Diego and more, with a surplus of almost 2.5 inches. So let's talk about how much more we could see, anywhere from 1 inch to 2 inches of rain in the county from the next couple of systems. Temperatures will stay in the low 60s Thursday and Friday. Warmer inland communities into the 70s tomorrow. Plenty of sunshine. Clouds increase late day with rain possible early morning. Showers will be better likely in the afternoon into Saturday. Now our deserts, look at that warm up. We are really going to be heating up here. Upper 70s Thursday, Friday, but next week we could see temperatures into the mid 80s. So almost going from one extreme of being well below normal to above average into early next week. Kimberly?
My kind of extreme, above average. It's been